In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download apps on Google Chrome efficiently and effectively. Whether you're doing this for the first time or need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through it, step by step. Let's dive in and ensure that by the end of this video, you'll feel confident in downloading any app you need through Google Chrome. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Google Chrome browser. If you don't already have it up, go ahead and launch it now. Once you're in Google Chrome, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of your screen. Now, type in Chrome Web Store. As you type, Google may offer some autocomplete suggestions, which may help you get there a bit quicker. Click on the result for the Chrome Web Store, which is an online marketplace where you can find a wide variety of apps and extensions that enhance the functionality of your browser. Once you've arrived at the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice that there's a search bar positioned prominently on the left side. You can enter the name of the app or extension you're looking to download. For instance, you might be interested in productivity tools, fun games, or helpful extensions like an ad blocker, all of which can be found here. Enter the name of the app you need and hit Enter on your keyboard. Now, you should see a list of search results related to the app or extension you entered. It's important to sift through these results carefully. Pay close attention to ratings and reviews. These can often give you great insight into the reliability and quality of the app. Once you've identified the app that you want to download, simply click on it to go to its detailed page. Once you're on the app's page, you'll see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin installing the app. A pop-up dialog will appear to confirm that you want to add the app to Chrome. It's a good idea to review any permissions that the app requires at this point. If it all looks okay to you, go ahead and click Add Extension to complete the installation process. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded your app on Google Chrome. You can find your new app in the Extensions area of your browser, typically represented by a puzzle piece icon on the top right. From there, you can manage or launch your app anytime, making your browsing experience more tailored to your needs. So, whenever you're ready to download apps through Google Chrome, just follow these steps and you'll be set. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, just rewatch this guide or check the Chrome Web Store's helpful tips. Thanks for joining me today, and happy downloading.